This is Max Goldberg. I'm here at Natural Products Expo East in Baltimore, and I'm here with Eve Galan. Eve is a lawyer who's filed class action lawsuits against Kashi and Naked. Great to see you, Eve.
Great to be here. Great to be here.
So, Eve, you and I have talked a lot in the past, and I've written on my blog about the class action lawsuits against Naked and against Kashi. For those people out there, and I get a lot of emails saying, what's going on with these lawsuits? But just first, for people who are not familiar with the Naked and Kashi lawsuits, first, Naked, what was the class action lawsuit against them?
So, Naked Juice will advertise its products on the label as being all natural and not having any GMOs. Turns out they have synthetic ingredients and in some juices genetically modified ingredients as well. Okay. So we brought a class action suit for that kind of false advertising. In Kashi, it's a very similar suit. They advertise their cereals or cereal bars, cookies and crackers as being all natural when they also have synthetic ingredients.
And with Kashi, it was more than synthetic ingredients, wasn't it? Uranium byproducts and
Oh yeah, it's in some cases a very substantial amount of ingredients that are known carcinogens and that are toxic. And both companies would claim that certain synthetic ingredients were the same as a vitamin, when in fact they're completely different molecular compounds and they don't have the same vitamin activity in the body.
Now, let's talk about Naked. So what is the latest with the Naked lawsuit?
All right, so in Naked Juice, Pepsi and Naked Juice tried to dismiss the suit, claiming that, natural doesn't really mean anything, that it's mere puffery. Well, we won, and the court denied their motion to dismiss, and we are going forward in discovery and onto hopefully trial and class certification. A very similar thing happened in the Kashi case as well. Okay. Kashi tried to argue that the term natural doesn't mean anything, right. And the court again said no, that we're going to go ahead and go on to discovery for for deceptive trade practices, false advertising, and consumer deception.
So in both cases, they tried to get it dismissed, and the court said no, and so now it's proceeding to trial.
Now it's proceeding. It was a major win for us, and we're looking forward. We're looking forward to the bite.
Now, how seriously have these companies taken these lawsuits?
Obviously I can't speak for them, but from what I can tell, they're taking it very seriously. With both cases, we're not just attacking their product formulations, but their entire brand. And both companies have hired pretty good lawyers. Kashi hired Jenner & Block, and Naked Juice hired Gibbs & Dunn. Okay. Both firms are very well-known firms, very big firms, very expensive firms. Yep. A company does not hire the big guns unless they really have to.
Sure. Yeah. So one of the things you told me before was you were looking into potentially filing class action lawsuits on a state level, and how can viewers or consumers out there get involved? Yeah,
well, right now, most of the consumers in the class action are California residents, but we also want to make sure that the residents of Florida, of New York, of New Jersey, of Illinois, of Hawaii are also represented. So we're filing separate statewide class actions specifically for that state's consumers.
Okay. Yeah. Now, if a consumer wants to participate in this class action lawsuit in their state, how would they proceed? Would they get in touch with you, or what would they do?
Go ahead and get in touch with me, and we'll see what the next steps are.
Okay. And how could they get in touch with you?
They can go ahead and email me, ygolan@tgfirm.com.
Okay.
And yeah.
Awesome. Well, it was great to run into you again and see you at the show,
great to see you.
As always, and it's really helpful to the people out there because, as I said, not only do we want accurate labeling for these products, but people have really been asking me, what's been going on, and to give everyone an update is really, really helpful.
And these cases are they're one of those situations where if consumers don't step up, food companies are just going to keep on doing what they're doing. They're going to keep on having synthetic ingredients and genetically modified ingredients and lying on their package labels. Yeah.
So, great. Well, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you. Thanks.
This is Max Goldberg from Living Maxwell. Just remember to buy well, eat well, and most importantly, live well. Thanks for watching.